Battery Electric was started back in 1972. My father and my mother opened the company. They started the company building and manufacturing forklift batteries from having our own steel clad cases that then we brought in the best of the best cells from Yuasa of Japan. And then my father would burn them together using his own bars that he used to make with a lead melting press and lead melting pot. And these bars actually had Battery Electric on them. And then he would actually put all the cells in the steel cases and put all the bars on and burn the whole battery together. He built a pretty good reputation doing that. He built some of the batteries that lasted on a forklift application. We even had one that lasted up to 14 to 19 years in certain applications. Then we moved on to selling the best of automotive batteries. We had the Fulham products brought in, and that probably lasted till early 90s, I would say. But going from around 86, we kind of got into the battery backup applications, the standby applications is the terminology. And we basically started into the backup battery business in around the 86 and have been doing it and prospering very well doing it over those years. So we are now getting into the point where we're replacing products that are 25, even 30 years old that we're now replacing that my father had sold way back in 86. Then in about 2003, myself, Bryson, I took over the company and bought it out from my father and continued a straight growth by developing good clientele, long life customers, and build that company into going from just supplying, which my father did, to going into the full service of supply, service, maintenance, you name it. And building a company into a larger company, growing to help out the clientele that we deal with, and have had steady growth, and we're able to grow and increase and bring in full electricians on staff to help with full installs that we do.